The net wrap cutoff knife on your round baler plays a crucial role in the bale wrapping process. A sharp knife and properly adjusted counter knife will cleanly cut the net wrap at the end of the net wrap cycle. Seeing long tails or strings of net wrap hanging from the bottom of the net wrap attachment behind your baler is a good indicator that inspection of the knife is needed, and it could be time to sharpen or replace the knife. This video is part 1 of a 2-part video showing how to remove, sharpen, and replace the net wrap cutoff knife. For this demonstration, we're using a John Deere 568 round baler with a mega-wide pickup. Always consult your operator's manual for your specific machine before starting any maintenance to make sure you follow all safety steps and you have the appropriate personal protective equipment. To get started, safely park your baler and lower all equipment to the ground. Turn the tractor key to the on position and turn the monitor controller on. Ensure net mode is selected, then turn the monitor off. Now, press and hold the counter key while turning the monitor controller on again. You should see CH001 appear on the screen. While continuing to hold the counter key, press the plus key to advance the number on the screen to CH018. Then release the counter key. Next, press and hold the extend key to move the counter knife to the upward position. Turn the tractor key to the off position and remove the key. Then turn the monitor controller off. At the rear of the baler, open the net wrap cover and disconnect the net actuator wiring harness to prevent personal injury from unexpected knife movements. Now it's time to remove the cutoff knife. First, you'll need to remove the brush from the cutoff knife by removing the 4 round head bolts and nuts holding it in place. Then remove the 2 round head bolts and nuts on each end of the cutoff knife. Then carefully detach the cutoff knife from the knife bracket. Now the cutoff knife has been removed and is ready for sharpening. For those instructions, watch our part 2 video on how to sharpen and replace the net wrap cutoff knife on a John Deere baler.